two warning lights on your dashboard demand immediate attention in 2025: the oil pressure warning and battery warning lights. These are not lights you can ignore while driving. The oil pressure warning light signals that your engine's oil pressure has dropped below the manufacturer's specified level, typically 5 to 10 psi at idle. This system monitors the engine's lubrication network through pressure sensors. Based on 2025 industry data, low oil level accounts for 40% of oil pressure warning cases. Faulty oil pressure sensors cause 25% of incidents, while oil pump failure represents 15%. Clogged oil filters account for 12%, and engine bearing wear causes 8% of cases. Here we can see what a clogged oil filter looks like. This component is crucial for maintaining proper oil flow and pressure throughout the engine. The battery warning light indicates problems with your vehicle's charging system. It monitors the alternator's ability to charge the battery and maintain proper electrical system voltage. Normal voltage should be 12.6 volts when the engine is off and 13.5 to 14.5 volts when running. For battery warning lights, alternator malfunction is the leading cause at 45% of incidents. Battery degradation accounts for 30% of cases, while loose or corroded connections cause 15%. Drive belt issues represent 10% of battery warning incidents. Modern vehicles in 2025 use sophisticated ECU technology for precise fault detection. Many systems now integrate with mobile apps for real-time monitoring. Industry standards like ISO 2575 govern dashboard symbol designs and color coding for different severity levels, ensuring consistency across manufacturers. Understanding these warning light triggers is crucial for vehicle safety and maintenance. Ignoring oil pressure warnings can lead to engine replacement costs of $3,000 to $8,000. Battery system failures typically cost $300 to $800 for alternator replacement, but can leave you stranded. When an oil pressure warning light activates, immediate action is critical to prevent catastrophic engine damage. The first step is to stop driving immediately and safely pull over. The first diagnostic step is checking the oil level using the dipstick. This simple check can immediately identify if low oil is causing the pressure drop. If oil level is adequate, the next step is performing a mechanical gauge test. This involves installing a manual pressure gauge to verify actual oil pressure versus what the sensor is reporting. Understanding the oil system flow is crucial for diagnosis. Oil circulates from the pan through the pump, filter, and engine components. Blockages or pump failure can cause pressure drops. For persistent battery warning lights, voltage testing is the primary diagnostic tool. A healthy battery should read 12.6 volts when the engine is off and 13.5 to 14.5 volts when running. Connection issues are responsible for 60% of battery warning light cases. Clean and tighten battery terminals and inspect all electrical connections for corrosion or looseness. Advanced diagnostics include load testing the battery to assess its capacity under simulated load conditions and testing alternator diodes for internal component failure. Real-world examples demonstrate these solutions in practice. In 2024, Toyota Camry models experienced widespread oil pressure sensor failures, resolved through sensor replacement and ECU software updates. Similarly, Ford F-150 trucks experienced battery warning light issues due to alternator wiring harness problems, leading to a recall campaign and improved wiring harness design with better corrosion resistance. Prevention through regular maintenance is key to avoiding these issues. Oil changes every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, and battery testing every 6 months after 3 years of service can prevent most warning light problems. Modern automotive technology is moving toward predictive maintenance using artificial intelligence and cloud-based monitoring systems. These advanced systems can predict component failures before they occur, reducing unexpected breakdowns and repair costs.